What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rizwan, and I'm back on that grind. Sun out here beaming, and I'm feeling good. I ain't gonna lie. I've been gone for a minute, and that's my fault. But I'm back, and I'm back. Like, I'm fully back. And I just want to say, I appreciate everybody. Like, I don't know. Like, I've been doing my thing. I've been gone because, you feel me? I just had a baby, and like, I had to put my priorities first, but I'm back, and I'm officially back. I definitely want to get this video here out. I'm gonna just, what am I talking about? So today, we gonna be doing a little POV drive with no traction on, basically. So, that's about it. Just hitting corners with traction off down there and seeing how that go. We're gonna start right here, actually. Hold on. Show how to throw it in sport. We're not gonna start right here because there's a car right there and I don't even play like that. So we're gonna start somewhere else. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, I did it, but I ain't do it how I wanted to do it. I think my tripod in here. I'm about to put that on when I hit this light. It be cops sitting at this little church, so I'ma cruise past that hoe. But yeah, once we get past that bit, we gonna be green. I'm in the woods with it, bro. Like, I really be in the woods. My windshield dirty, bro. Like, my windshield OD dirty. I want to put it on the tripod so I can just hold it up. Let's see if it's a cop there. Nope, we green. But I ain't gonna lie, life been lifing. Let's see. Hold on, we at this light. I'm about to throw this tripod on real quick. So the only downfall about driving down this street and trying to do the video that I'm doing, as y'all can see, bro, it's a straight shot. It ain't no corners, and most of the corners lead down a dirt road, and I'm not hitting no dirt road. I'm not doing it. My car already dirty. It fucked up, all type of shit, so. Yeah, see, dirt road, like, that shit crazy, bro. I'm about to hit a U-E, and I'm gonna go to a street that got more corners, so give me a second. Alright, we officially on the back part, and it's gonna be a little more turns over here. It be cops hiding though, that's my only downfall. It be heli cops, and they be hiding. And I don't got no, yeah, there's no, cop get behind me, I might be cooked. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I wish I had the meta glasses, bro. Like, that'll make life so much easier. It's so hard to do this with one hand. Well, at least shift with it. Like, if I'm gonna try it in automatic at the next corner, cause in automatic trying it, that jump kind of hard. I ain't gonna lie, cause I was trying to catch it while upshifting at the same time. That junk different. Stars, ambient lighting. I want the acrylic one. It's called acrylic ambient lighting. That's the one that look good. But gang, I'm trying to go find a spot so I can record another video, because I'm trying to drop both of these videos. So yeah, that Camaro right there, I got that junk one time. He was so mad. They got hella cars. I'm lying, I did not ever race that nigga, but they got a lot of cars there. That's the goal. I ain't gonna even lie, bro. It really get dark so late, and I hate it. Like, it's 5 something or something like that, and it's dark. My clock says 6, but I think that's wrong. And I don't got my other phone to see, but it get dark so late, bro. Like, that junk, I mean, so early. Like, it was the other day I was trying to record a video, and I was gonna try to put my headlights in, but it got so dark, like, so quick. I don't know, bro. I got a question. So why do these country people burn their leaves? Like, why do they do that? I be seeing a lot of them, and they be like burning their leaves, and I'm just like, why? The street light just came on, bro. It's 5 o'clock and the street light's on. Shit crazy. It's a CC5 Corvette over there. That bit was hard. See, this where the cop be hiding, so I'm gonna do 45 and I'm gonna kind of hide my phone a little more till I pass. Cause if it ain't no cop though, we finna hit this corner. Cause that's where I got flipped right here a few times. They be hiding, bro. Alright, we should be good. He usually be like right here. We should be good. Alright, we gonna put in automatic. We gonna look first. They be on that dirt road too. Hold on, I think it's one behind me. I think that's a cop. Hold on. Hold on, let go. Bro, that house right there is crazy. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but that house, I was gonna do it at that corner, but I think 12 was right there. We gonna try. I don't know, I seen them little, you know how they lights be like orange, the little orange line. I can't do it at this corner, there's too many cars. I'm not certified yet. I'm sorry. Y'all probably like, bro, you procrastinating and blase, bro. I'm not certified like that yet, bro. I don't be sliding for real, so it's kind of hard. Turn my lights on after this car pass. But yeah, bro, once I get certified, then it's gonna be better. But as of right now, your boy's scared, you know what I'm saying? Ooh-wee. I really need to find like an open parking lot so I can film this video. I ain't doing nothing illegal. I ain't sliding or none of that. I'm just gonna do a walk around and talk about the car. I got a few of them I want to do, but I'm gonna just do one right now. So I'm getting y'all 2 videos. One of me doing what I'm doing right now. I don't even know no more. And then another gonna be a walk around video. So I'm gonna just go to this car wash and do it. Alright, we good right here. So it be cars coming, we gonna look. Alright, we good. Yeah, it don't slide how I want it to, and when it's not in first gear. I don't know, bro. I need a new diff. Like, it do not slide how I want it to, bro. I hate that. I be having it down packed, like I be ready to. But when it's not in first gear, bro, it just don't work, like, at all. That junk crazy. Like, dang, that just blew me. I ain't gonna lie. I would go to that Metro Park, but I think it's like $10 to get in there. I ain't bring no cash, and I ain't using my card. So, Just gonna go to the car wash. It's free. It's deers. Look at the little deers. Y'all hear this thing though? Like, y'all heard that whine? Y'all heard the whine? Oh my, my shit just whine. Y'all ain't hear it? My shit whine. Hold on, gang.